It's a celebration, Mapagania. We are the champions, Mr. Mlambo. Let's pop this team, Muna. Let's celebrate, Mapet. We are champions. Pop that team, Mr. Mlambo. Pop the champagne. We are champions. Yo. Pour that champagne. Pour that champagne.
How are you feeling, Chief? How are you feeling?
But we are champions. Only treble winning champions. Pop.
Uyibonile iphope kanzima kanjani? Ithi pop.
Oh, manje ucosta kaphuzi.
And umuzini ufana.
Thank you, sir.
And that last good. Jabulile Mapagania, before we do anything, Buffett, you know the trail Mapagania. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel Mapagania, and also Mapagania, don't forget to like our content. Buffett, Peter Machimbo's studio. Happy now. I'm a balloon. Football, what more do you want? Like, what more do you want, Mr. Mlambo?
Champion.
Ole.
Champion. Ole.
Champion.
Ole.
Ghost.
Yeah.
How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm busy champion, fit.
Champion of the
Yeah,
ship.
call me properly.
You ended. You deserve it.
Yeah,
You deserve it.
Yeah. Beautiful season, fit. I'm happy. I'm on top of the world, they were fit. Yeah.
Mr. Mlambo, how are you feeling, Chief?
Mfethu champions. Yabona ne studio. Siyabonisa ukuthi we champions. Ngijabulile ntanga.
The studio is lovely.
Studio is beautiful. You can see Mapagania. It's a celebration. Treble the champion in Tanga.
Yeah.
Started with the MTN8, young toy. Followed up with the Kaling, young toy. Followed up with the
Big one.
With the P1,
With the
massive
big
one, the one that you waited so long for it, young toy.
Yeah.
At some point, in fact, it felt like, as this thing, in fact, you'll keep on chasing, you won't even get to the other side, young toy, young toy, and down.
Sure.
I was telling you to explain a lot and the joy that is within you, young toy, and for all the success Orlando Pirates, in fact.
Yo ntanga ngijabule kakhulu because this has been a journey. You understand? League and the cup is different. I remember when you asked us makuqeda uqala isizini no mid season ukuthi sizosho nini ukuthi siphumelele. Ngithola maswine in. I think ntanga this is a success mfethu. Through all like us going to stadiums, the players mfethu bathukwa bapraiswa. No coach, same thing mfethu, like we deserve this thing now. That's why you see most of our players are going to the World Cup because they've ended it. For me mfethu, like ngijabulile, I'm over the moon isipade. There is no more thing ayikho into esingayenza to express ourselves ngenye indlela mfethu, uyabona kumanzi phansi e-studio.
Kumanzi phansi danga like idanga myipi ntanga
sayigcina nama champagne.
I feel like ngaya la Orlando Pirates shop ntanga ngiswipe i-credit card buy all the match danga ngithola
deserve.
Suyibona like bayadeserve.
Sure.
It's been a long time. You know, we're taking my cups about Netbank, MTN, and so on.
Sure.
Like you get that thing, and so about this, that thing that is itching with you. You need a massive trophy, young sure. All the time you need a massive trophy, young soul in danger. Because in sometimes, let's be honest, young soul, sometimes Lama Cup, you can get some kind of luck, young soul, because it's just 2-3 games on the final. Anything can happen. Young soul in danger. So, there's no luck there. Young soul, you have to work for how many games in fact?
30
games.
Yeah.
Yangithola into enjani, being consistent mfethu kunama injury la, yangithola kunama fan complaining, yangithola
Sure.
kuna like there are a lot of dynamics mfethu, yangithola. So when they say you are the champion, that means you are the champion of the country mfethu, yangithola.
Yeah.
And I saw someone, I think it was PhD, who asked that question, which, so how can Sundowns be champions of Africa but they are not champions at their own home, South Africa, yangithola into enjani? And it's weird indanga, because they can't take that away from us, yangithola. At home bayazi ukuthi abathomi azathina, it's like riding uriding yabona lamathama lawa mawafika lapha estradeni, yangithola mfethu yibo yangithola into enjani, mara mabangena endlini umfazi wadonsa ngesele, yangithola into enjani.
Yeah.
So he made a similar riding analogy regarding that, yangithola.
Yeah.
So obviously ndanga mina nawe uGhost bekangekho, obviously siphuma eMpumalanga, yangithola. Shout out to Lenasia branch for hosting us at that day, yangithola. We had a lovely experience to the chairperson of the branch, uZweli, yangithola. Abo Sozo Amatwini, yangithola into enjani. Abo with that other woman, Mr. Mlambo, sure you remember.
Which one? I don't.
You know, yangithola.
Yeah.
But yeah, tell us about your experience, Mr. Mlambo.
What a change in that.
Yeah.
Yo, cause me and this guy we were crazy throughout the way. Silbiza baba, and the Lenasia branch mfethu izandla zulikhanda sibani.
Yeah.
They've accepted us. We felt like we were at home. Buzo Mr. Ligwete siplomela phambili. Share ama video, share number. Masifike eMbombela mfethu, share number toilet. Like yo ntanga we were crazy mfethu.
Yeah,
Sola mapagania. Share ama pre-match mfethu. It was lovely.
No, Ghost, no, you
Ah,
missed
it was
out.
lovely.
Oh, it was a beautiful experience. And then, funny part is that I wanna know Mr. Mlambo, I need to figure late.
Yeah.
Stola valley taxi says smell it, must figure sana space. Funu get big seat, we can't see at the front, don't tell in danger. Can't the call is talking to us. No, what's more funu shy content from the front. It's going to be beautiful. It's gonna show everyone.
Sure.
Surely wanna put our videos down. That's it, I think. That's it, taxi, young tola on our way there, young tola.
Yeah.
And it's also nice in to my stadium, and stress out your driver in. Stalela nje taxi ushayile pia, young tola. If you are mixer, we are tesha, young tola into enjani. And then we arrived on time, Ghost. I want to struggle of parking on the other side. We didn't experience that, young
Is
tola.
it?
Yeah.
So must figure vele ntwana robo ni grand Ghost, robo ni ntwana was like feel like ngibona umthoki samuni wasatlaleka yi.
He's a ghost.
Young tola.
Ufuna ukungibona lensizwa le.
Ubona kanjani?
Mfethu like ngathi ngikhuluma necamera yiwani no, young tola.
Yeah.
So yeah, mfethu okay, hey, we had an unfortunate incident on our way. Sathola ukuthi tire mfethu shy punch and I wanna punch ile. Ke awkward because ikamo haral tire yonto. It's not on the surface. Kai mo side yonto. So literally nelfedile yonto.
Yeah.
I mfethu ke ababonisa machita ra yofethu wana ye dangerous yonto. So we had to every garage we made a stop. Every garage yonto. Ral pompa. Reta show Ralel Vice over 250 or 300 on
Sure.
because of obvious I need pressure because it's not a rate. So every garage. I fit around motor dropper they had to drive and get a new tire.
Yeah.
That's
Not spare.
There was no spare. Hey, sometimes.
Yeah. So it's a driving.
So it's driving. Para na vaile rara va grinder fit around. Mr. Mlambo did the pre-match interviews mapagania so happy one so like that. Got on the stadium and I didn't see the two goals.
I didn't see one.
It was hectic.
It was hectic. I didn't see one.
Again. Give 45 minutes.
Yeah.
I mean, I get frustrated to go to it. I'm like, hey, I'm foreseeing another throw one so like that we played like it's going to 7 seats. One so. Oh, those guys you could see. When the first minute
Yeah.
they took the ball by Raila Conte for throwing and then they just sit back.
Like PSG.
yabona ngithi tatlan ke ra, this is another hard low block one so
Sure.
so 45 minutes of it ke frustrated ke reng before the one the traffic ara toilet e re ke cause I can see there won't be any goal here
Yeah.
a ke toilet
Cool.
a ke utlwa mfetwa wa celebrate ke botsa e wa bona ona le kena mfetwa panel korini e re ha Orbit College yo
Yeah.
ya tla ke le vitwana ke re ke qata bona Jimmy qata o kena nthabetsa fa e mina ke re Jimmy a ngizokubona sikimsiya ra sekele mana bona ke tswara ke bona mapakane ya celebrate mfetwa o bona ntse ke botsa awona mtho ibone inkolele mfetwa he nama ngibonanga yasipakane ngibone sengena koruwa angibone sengena efethe ke lahlile ke batla Mr Mlambo la etwara it was crazy ndona mbombela
It was packed.
crazy eh
It was packed.
it was packed in Dona, like packed in Fitu, like yes says every 2 again I can't remember neketsa one time
That
let
time
Mr
when
Mlambo nasali
yeah.
ile toilet
Ngiyathandwa toilet.
hey
Ukubuya istampede ngivunana nokaka. Same thing. Hey.
Goal yange.
hey nna ka ibona tsona kusapula wetsa la nke makala bala urukiri yo what
Yeah.
hey scrape game fit but we came through Mr
Hey, you
Mlambo
don't care.
yeah
Hey,
we came through
bathi vava siyithengile ini. I always tell them go to Betway police station usibophise ke. Sibone ukuthi bazoyithatha. Yeah. Tanga kwata bona mthuthu kakhulu because ukudlula iOrbit kudlula iSundowns. Then you ask yourself ukuthi nesidlala nabo bani. Abahambi baye police station thina i-treble winners.
Yeah, but those own goals in fit, you can't do anything. That there was pressure in fit. I don't know if you guys had the opportunity to
Goals.
check those
Because
goals.
we know that
Yeah,
and we
yeah,
saw
yeah,
that
fit.
nithi bona laba bakhalayo abahambi baye police station
Yeah.
bayasibophisa.
yeah but goes to Ndwana when that game obviously it's been a while on Tola Mara what did you take out of the game
Yeah, in fit, I think as I was watching the game, like I could feel. For me, it was one of those games. Alright, it's gonna come, and you can feel.
Serious,
Yeah.
Ndwana?
Oh no, I was
I
hopeful.
just thought you were on the edge you
Kunale
feel.
mhlombe
Yo,
phambi
yo,
kwakho
yo, yo.
ntanga mawuvayo.
Yeah.
Le ngize ngithi ngiyayitshela Phakaniya sokora ithi hey Phakaniya siza ngeimali zethu la. Siza ngeimali zethu.
I love negative
Hey,
being Kenya ka.
the negative slida cause it's uningi.
Ah,
Yeah.
with
Ah, then you get to
negative.
you find ukuthi ntanga yabona like sinokusho kunale ku post match before sifika ku
Yeah.
ethi like you always bash the coach la and ukuthi akayilaleli because to fire uhlale no uhlale no what
Yeah.
ngithola yithi sinokusho ukuthi what sometimes you understand
Sure.
like it's bad to find someone bashing the team doing well.
Yeah.
Le negative because yo leader tunile isifuna manje.
That guy with the super negative.
But I think Steady, you will always find one odd
Yeah,
one.
that's on you.
Sometimes.
No, you know what's fucked up? And I like to sit like
next to that
someone who's there
Yeah.
pessimistic one thought
Sure.
because energy high it seems like you know sometimes with negative energy na lo overcloud positive energy
Sure.
one thought like e ka roka shift and e ka stampede one thought
Sure.
I can't go anywhere one thought
Yeah.
and then now mfethu setse jwalo like nganye ho di engage haholo ke nganye tswa mo tsona one thought
Yeah.
but he kept on thola on my ear one thola ke le ke jwang ash ene Kenya ndwana like nin Kenya boy one thought
I can imagine. Though.
yeah
But I think it was steady in Fitesha, and I've come to accept
You
it.
can't change that.
One time, especially as we always going to the game it. So at some point, you're gonna get one game where you sit unfortunately next to one of those.
Yeah.
ah definitely mfethu obviously Mr Mlambo mfethu melo school man coach AP ngithola
Sure.
this guy mfethu he came in out of nowhere mfethu ngithola I think this is the right time to do an overview.
The
And I
perfect
remember
one.
whenever
This
I
one's
talk
the
about
perfect one.
whenever I talk about Coach AP, I remember I asked you a question, or coach, like, do you think this guy is a good coach? And
Yeah.
Mr. Mlamba Champa, can I answer that one? For me, Mfana, even if he takes the league, Mfana, he's not a good coach. Do you remember that moment?
Yeah, I do.
Like, Mr. Mlamba, But obviously sometimes we say things out of anger.
Sure.
It's from that point, even at that time the team was not doing well.
Yeah.
So I'm interested to hear from him more. Was it an anger thing? Or now have you changed mhlambe your opinion over the coach?
asiyilungise Ghost.
Mm.
Next
Yeah.
week akuleyo pod ngathini?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Singayikhohlwa.
Sikhumbuze.
Next week of that pod, I said,
I'm Oppo.
ngiyangithola. Next week of that pod, I said yes, dakwa kuyenga waze walakho. Wathi Mr. Mlambi must use feelings.
Yeah.
But I think this is the perfect time to judge the coach,
Yeah.
the overview. Because
Sure.
now we have won. Mina personally, I think the coach has done well. The team has done well, Ghost. But he must improve, mfethu. Uyangithola? He must improve a lot.
Sure.
How so? In terms of the squad selection. Sometimes mfethu ile nto mesiyikhuluma manje like the team has won iphelile season. I think he must improve select ama player agree. He must improve kwezinye izinto like sort of ama game eSundowns. Akumele aye ngokusaba la. Uyangithola?
Sure.
Singaba silaga. Sometimes Tito is doing well. He even says that Tito is doing well, but still umbeka ngaphandle. You understand?
Yeah.
Those kind of things he can improve. Ungabi kwala. Those kind of things he can improve to get better. For me, he has won it, and the Team Shalizanda, he has broken, I think, most of the records. But like he still has to do better. Yangithola. In terms of yena as a coach, squad selection, no favorism. Yangithola, because if ungakhumbula kupod yami kupost mesh yami sise Orlando, I said I didn't say Mariko and Ndaba played bad, but I said it was unnecessary for them to come in. You understand? I think he can do better in that regard. Squad rotation, squad selection izinto ezikanjalo.
Yeah. But it seems like you don't want to give him you don't want to like fully give him his flowers yet.
I did.
Like mhlambe out of 10 ngiyangithola for this season, Mr. Mlambi.
For this season,
Yeah.
ngamguy 8. Yangithola. Ngamguy 8.
Yeah, that's
But
a
like,
good rating.
Yeah, it's a
Yeah.
good one. But like I still need him to do izinto ezibhetter. You understand? Let's say Sundowns did better bona this season. Because we can't take away the fact that Sundowns didn't do better on the home soil this season. Uyangithola. So if Sundowns do better, if Sundowns won against CS Galaxy, uyangithola manje like sesisifakela amanzi endlini unnecessary. So mina sengikhuluma in that regards. Izinto zisihambele kahle this season and angeke simncishe siyamupha ama flowers akhe. But mina personally angakathi yeah he's the best coach. I sorry. I also give my squad on management ye Pirates abantu esibarecruitile during the season.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll get to the management then, and I just wanted your overview from the coach's perspective. Ngiyangithola. So do you think now he's a good coach? Although you're saying he's not an excellent coach,
I think
but do you think he's a good
I
coach?
think what I can say, this season he was good.
Yeah.
This season he was good. But I'm not saying he's a good coach. I'm still saying, and still, mangithi, when I'm saying someone is not a good coach, because I'm not saying he's a bad coach.
You're saying he's an average coach.
Yeah, it's just okay. That's what I'm saying. But this season, we must say he was good. Because ndango break yonke. Ngizobe nginenhliziyo yeche mangathi he wasn't good. Last season, let's buya kuyo, or this season.
Yeah. Ghost, your thoughts on the coach?
Fit, I think it was a success for the coach. Fit, one thought. I think he just missed out on 2 cups out of 5.
Sure.
Yeah.
So he got 3, he lost out on 2, which is CAF and Nedbank. So I think great return on his part. Mr. Mlambo made some good points. I think in fact to the coach Aram Kaye, in fact, he did it. One thought crossed the line, just win us the league. Or at least careful fit. One thought. And for now, those were like you must get one. One thought. I remember you asked us what was the bare minimum. And now that's what I said. It's CAF or league. Or when MTN 8, Netbank, you can go on and say we've had fun with those cups. So kudos to Coach AP. In fact, he had bad moments this season. He had great moments, and overall this season I think it's a chain. Yeah.
So have you changed perspective over the coach, or are you still saying he hasn't like fully convinced you?
No, I did say he's won me over throughout the season. I think you have disagreements, and I've said them I think a few times, or echoing as well what Mr. Mlambo has said. Wabo.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't think we can ever have a perfect person. One thought.
Yeah.
If he's doing the job, getting us the results, in fact, he's a good coach. In fact, give it to him.
And cause just to add, ne?
Yeah.
And that's why I'm saying, Fire also asked this question. If you're saying someone is not good or average or like he has to improve, we're not saying he must go. Young Ton. This season he has done so well. Take nothing away. But he has to improve. Has to improve.
What do you want? You want the second star now?
Yeah, that's the thing.
So because if this guy continues with this, Mr. Mlambo, and takes the league again, I still gonna say the same thing.
Next.
It's like
you can't
take the league foot again.
you
You
can't
know
do
what I
it.
mean?
You can't do it twice. That's why I'm shooting so Young Ton. Even now I'm giving it to him. He had a good season. As much as I was frustrated, because I think we begin kamnandi ndang. Ukuthi like that's a season. There is highs, there are lows.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
in a way I'm still at improving in terms of the squad selection.
No, but you know what, about that squad selection, Mr. I think we can cry. This isn't my car. Which is the squad. They was terrible.
Yeah.
But what I like about this guy, Mr. Mlambo,
Yeah.
and I know some people will say, but who reactive,
Sure.
There are some coaches who are not even reactive. They don't even listen to what you're trying to say.
Yeah.
So this coach to Magakala, utale bad,
Sure.
and then he was quickly called into order, and
Yeah.
he managed to adjust,
Sure.
and some of the things like let decision there, he keeps on trying to persist.
Sure.
Like sometimes you have a moment where you look at things back and say, like, why is this guy trying to force Noptachela into us?
Yeah.
You can say, Uti, sometimes it's that thing of Mr. Mlambo more figure, I suppose. Mr. Mlambo is a coach, and which player do you see here in the Betway Premiership, that can improve our team, And then because he worked with Noptachela before, and he was stand out amongst his peers, and then you recommend him, and then they sign him, you understand? So when he comes, when I was on a pressure with Esan, I need to play this guy, otherwise next season mangithi ngifuna leya player but you asked for Noptachela, we gave you Noptachela and you put him on the bench, so that's why he was desperate to try to make that work, although I think eventually he saw okay, now I'm forcing it, let me bring in Umbata to try and do the job, like gradual, so sometimes like there are many like dynamics in coaching, sometimes there's no way he saw Masindi had like a bad run of games, but because of that thing, everybody asked me which player do I want, I gave them this guy. This guy must work, Abosihle Nduli, okay, amanye amabhakane wamjabulela, amanye for me Sihle Nduli is not a DM that we need, I think we still need to go to the market and try to find a proper DC.
Slepe.
Yeah? I'm not convinced no Slepe yet. Because why? Slepe, Slepe, Mr. Mlambo. I think now they can give him a run of games and I'm convinced. But Usihle Nduli, like they gave him like a run of games. And I was not convinced. I know you said he's one of your favorite players. So I think on that we have a slightly different opinions on that. But we'll get. I don't want to get to individual players.
While you still at Coach AP,
Yeah.
Young Tol, what do you think about like decision making like in terms of squad selection? Because misakhuluma ngale yona. Because mina ngikadiswa yazini goes to ukuthi okunye uyenze kahle but okunye ntanga he was not good. Like the Tito ukuthi aqala ukungena no. I think we can all agree ukuthi it was the injury yakamreni. Even he saw that Tito is doing well, he's giving the numbers, but he still persisted of playing him 7 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes throughout the season. Even you can check the numbers of minutes Tito which he has played.
Yeah.
So I just need to hear your view in terms of those kind of things.
Yeah.
Njengoba mina manje ukuthi AP must improve. I'm talking about those kind of things.
Yeah. So we are simple to Tito. Sometimes also I need to being a coach in is very difficult. Because we have Umrem, we have Urile, we have Apulipo, and ube Urile on that number 10 role, and we must not forget Uti. majority of us were saying Relay is not a number 10, Relay is not a. But that guy saw something in Relay and said, this guy, in fact, he has I remember him saying he has a 360 view over things, young John. He can be the best number 10 in South Africa, young John. At that time, we were saying, this guy is just delusional, young John. It won't happen. But in fact, to look at Relay now, he's shining in that role, young John, in Tunjan. That impacted Tito Masangani, where he had to drop Tito for real, young John. And that's not bad, although I'm still saying now, I agree with you, Guti. He must find a way, and it is a coach, young John. And I need to see Tito get more minutes, young John.
Sure.
Player management, the games are not the same, young John. Sometimes some may really protect, young John, against smaller teams. Put in Tito, give him more minutes, young John. I agree with you. Those are the small things that he has to fix, young John. But me, I'm fair too. As long as this guy is still in the shop, in danger. I'm happy, Coast.
Yeah, I think Lena, that's my sentiments exactly. In fact, I'm so lying. So and even during the season, in fact, I remember there were times where we were complaining. Where's Shenko? Where's Master Chef? But we complain in therapy. We are winning. The issue starts when we are not winning. Then that's where now the voice still negative and elevated.
And the issue is gonna start when Sundowns get back to how they were. Because we can all agree in terms of the league, they were not that good this season compared to other seasons. Young Todd. Niti, Mina, he did well, but he should improve.
Yeah, definitely. There are things. No one is perfect, Mr.
True.
I think even if you can improve on the things that you think you can improve on, there's someone out there who's going to say, but this guy still has to improve. So his job is there, constantly trying to improve, trying to improve. But as well, you shouldn't forget which this was his first season. You shouldn't hammer him too much to say, do this and do this and do this. Like, I just got on the job. At least give me 2 years to I try to build my vision, because I don't think what we see now, it's entirely his vision of the team.
Sure.
I think if he gets time, he can introduce to us what he sees in the future. He can give us signings of where he's coming from and recommend players. In danger. So we'll see as time goes on. Another pending issue is that Master Chef, although at least we saw him on the trophy tour, one of those celebrations, in fact, Master Chef was not there. A lot of people are asking, where is Master Chef? It wasn't a big moment like that, in fact. You want to see Master Chef there, I don't know what was happening there. But I saw his contract, it was ending now in June. So I'm assuming there were back office talks the agent there. Maybe things were not progressing the way and then he decided to hold back on those. But I was happy to see him on this trophy tour. In danger. Master Chef, in danger. Yeah. The thoughts on Master Chef Ndanga?
I think like in terms of lasers and like behind the scene, it's easy for me to say this and this and this. Marangzaz, mina personal angzaz, and like I do not want to comment on something in Ngekoshong. But what I hope to see him playing. Because
them giving him an extension.
Minutes, seeing him playing. Because like we've seen goals, beautiful moments like Master Chef. Muntu odlala ipola ngathi uyajiva. Muntu onamehla i4. We want to see that. Outside the field angizazi me. But we would like to see Master Chef whatever is going on. Ngathi intanga kungaba like ne resolution between the team no Master Chef. Sibone thina Master Chef in the field of play adlala ipola.
Simple cost.
Yeah, I think straightforward and honest. Lena, in fact, I felt somehow someone in Master Chef. I was looking for him. Looking, where's the chef? Where's the chef? But yeah, hopefully it comes around and he remains with the team.
Yeah. They must just extend this contract, Master Chef from Faith. Like we need Master Chef from Faith. I'm sorry.
Sure.
Although we were hit by injuries through the season, I'm sorry. But I still believe Uguti, it wasn't that bad, young told in Dunjan, because immediately when Sitlonduli, when he goes missing, it is too late. Mukishin, we are boy, young told in Dunjan, Uban Magam, Uban, so we are fortunate. But sometimes you get him to your main players, young told, and Sitlonduli, Umakaula going down. Who do you have, young told? Because at that time, this guy didn't believe in Celeb, young told. So Master Chef is a squad player and fit. We must always be there, young John.
Sure.
Even our games are fana nabo Deben City, young John. He's the one who's gonna break your riding, your low block, young John in danger. So they need to fix that in fit management, young John. It was good to see him on the tour, young John. So I have some interesting stats, young John, that I have with me here. Looking at our forward line. So you wanted to jump in, Ghost?
I was saying ukuthi uzokutshela uMr Mlambo ukuthi numbers kill football. Uyayisusa vye.
There are two visions, dog. There are two visions. It's ukubonisa something. Like there are two. It's ukubonisa something. I think bengikhuluma nenye intwana mangibuye izolo. Oh, yeah, out here. Ukuthi like we used to watch Abo Messi, Abo Ronaldo, young Ton. Those guys like they gave numbers, but in terms of that, but like they gave football, young Ton. As much as they gave numbers, my numbers are Ntangame wasn't a football. They'll give you a number now, they'll give you a number next season. That's why they're consistent, because they understand football, young Ton. So you'll find a person now who's go 10 goals. Let me just make an example, young Ton. Go be season yakhe. But the next 5 seasons, angakuphi leyo 10 goals adlala utoti yangithola. Sometimes ama numbers kunokuba ichayisa. Sometimes ama numbers kunokuba ichayisa. So that's why I say football is not played by numbers, it's played by understanding. If you understand football, definitely going to make numbers this season, next season, next of next season, next of next season. So that's where I was coming from. I would be completely aware in the football of play, but the concepts of understanding football, they're going to give you numbers, consistency. Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Was he saying that for?
Yeah?
Was he saying that?
Yeah, I said numbers don't make the game. Numbers, I still say numbers don't make the game. Numbers don't make the game.
You know what's unfortunate, because for a striker,
Yeah.
you need numbers.
Sure.
You need numbers. Let's be honest, Mr. Mlambo. As a striker,
True.
but you need numbers, young tall in danger.
Can I make an example?
I can't come when I coast, young tall.
Yeah.
Get coast and I go charity strike. I want to like it's totally I want to like it as oh, 30 games. One to like he was brilliant throughout those 30 games. So we go out. Okay, get strike. Okay, how many did he finish? One to like throughout this 30. Over how Shale 4 goals. How many assists?
Can I?
Shale 3 assists. One to hey son, I don't guys is in we're gonna win or most one to like it. And then if he fails to do it on the following season, I'm going to tell you right, Coasting Fish. Get me someone who's going. Because at the end of the day, Mr. Mlam,
Can I ask?
the aim of playing football, in fact, or what do you want to achieve by playing football?
Objective.
To score goals and to win games.
Definitely angiyiphikisi leyo. But I just want to show you something lento engiyishoyo. There's a striker like Giroud.
Yeah.
How many World Cup has that guy played? He's a striker. And how many goals did he score? So that's why I'm saying, that's why I coach with France, megabona something to Giroud, because he's helping Abo Griezmann, Abo Mbappe to play the ball. So I'm understanding with numbers they do make the football, but you must understand the concepts of football for you to get the numbers. Fanele kuwathola ubone ukuthi lo muntu lo was doing something ukuthi I understand lento le. But umuntu uyakora isizini yakhe, but I understand whatever he does. Then you say this guy has numbers, we need him. No, I don't believe in that.
So, Mr. Mlambo, when Giroud, do you put him amongst like best strikers in the world?
Yeah, he has a World Cup. He has helped the team to win the World Cup. If you can check the World Cup which France won, Giroud didn't have a lot of goals. I think in 2018, if I'm not mistaken. But he was something in that field. Pela,
It was something, I agree. I mean, I'm not saying it's not nothing.
France, he's a big country. Nebanokubiza uJeroud bashiya uBenzema. Benzema with numbers.
yazi kwalia iBenzema neFrance.
Yini?
Bekune quarrel there
Yeah.
between the two.
So like okay,
For the longest time
quarrel.
bekangayo uBenzema
Nah,
with
intanga.
France.
Giroud, Mr. Mlambo, is saying Giroud is amongst the best strikers in the world.
So
But you can that's a Mlambo statement.
So yes, it's my statement. Football is how we see it, young tall. That's why, like,
Please, Mapagani, champion there.
please.
Is
please,
Giroud the
Bafet.
best, one of the best strikers in the world?
Yeah.
Olivier
He is.
Giroud.
He is. Check the achievements. Check the achievements. They speak. I need you talking about. I need you talking about.
My
man,
Luis Suarez.
My
Suarez.
my man. I need you talking about numbers. Check the achievement which he has.
What's that
Amanamba
Chirotu
now.
Chirotu umkenya rale lebo Jackson wabona.
Hey,
That
I mean,
level, this
what's
one.
wrong? I mean, those are, and we had this conversation the other day.
Yeah.
Harvard scored the Champions League final
Final
goal.
goal, yeah.
One day for he took the Champions League for Chelsea and so he just got the final goal game Arsenal when he took the league. And so
Sure.
he took the league for Arsenal and so
Yeah.
therefore he's the best striker as well.
He
And so-
is like dog. He achieved that in his into like dog. Ungakora 30 goals. Like it took bonus. Mbappe, how many goals did he score this season? But it didn't help a team with anything, cause he's chasing the numbers himself. He's chasing the numbers
there's
himself.
There's that thing which
So-
be greedy and
so-
be too
so-
focused
so-
on numbers
so
and
me-
end up compromising
me,
other
what I'm
things or
saying-
other or your team.
What I'm saying,
There must be a balance and a very tricky value to balance those two.
if my striker is giving me something which the team needs, that's a good player for me. Whether he scores, if he assists other people to score,
Assist player is part of numbers.
sharp. If Izwa, Pela, you can make semi-assist. Pela, you can assist someone. No, to go to Mpasewen. Like
That's
you
why
see-
those semi-assists now they're
No,
trying to
fair,
get them
fair.
in now.
Izwa
As
Mtsi,
numbers
Izwa
as
Mtsi.
well.
I'm a player because I think we can go back to into Yagamahub. You understand? Because that's where numbers came in. If I'm mistaken, you'd correct
Yeah,
me.
we wanna go through our stats now.
Sharp, yeah. Then you see you here. I move. Angithintanga ibhola. I move from where I am. Ukuthi lo angilandela. I did assist the team with something even if I didn't touch the ball. You understand? So mina, that's what I mean. Ukuthi I need a player who's going to gel with the team. Ukuthi like amanye ama player khona ukuyenza izinto. Even if he has to sacrifice himself ukuthi angadlali ibhola, it's good. But if he helps the team to win, that's my play.
You know why?
Okay. Now I wanted to ask Uguti, so as it stands manje Mr. Mlambo, would you say we must go get a striker or Simnandi?
Simnandi.
That was my question.
Mina ngithi simnandi. Mina ngithi
Simnandi.
that's what I'm saying. Mina ngithi let's build and continue building with what we have. Simnandi. Mina, for me, yes, I've heard a lot of Paganias, they said we need a strike. But here's the season. How many goals did we score? Even if strikers are not there at the top. Ukamutsa Aborile baskorele nje. Those guys worked for Aborile to get the space. It's not like ukuthi they were individual brilliance Aborile ukuthi bathola ama goals. Those guys helped them. How many goals did Pirates score this season? Even if the strikers didn't score 10 goals or 15 goals. That's my question.
So do you think if we had a prolific striker, we were not gonna be scoring as many goals?
I think Lama goals is really like they are enough, dog. These ones which we scored, they are enough. How many goals did we score this season? This season,
Yeah, he's got a lot of goals, Mr. Mlambo.
Lot of goals.
You know, Mr. Mlambo, you're making some good points, Angtol. And I'm gonna take them, Angtol, in
Sure.
But tell me something, Mr. Mlambo, Angtol. When I make space for you, Angtol,
Yeah.
it's fine. You can go and you're going to score, Angtol.
Sure.
And then I get a chance myself.
Yeah.
I'm not creating space for anyone.
Sure.
I miss my chance.
Yeah.
I get another one. I miss the chance.
Sure.
I get the third one. I missed that. So when you need 5 goals, you need 5 chances to score 1 goal. Let's a strike.
Okay.
I need to school me a space.
Sure.
Young so okay, but I worry my space none. But
Sure.
you as an individual must remember how we strike and fit. We're going to look at the end of the season. If you're a strikers coach, you're going to look at okay in fit. Let's have a target. Young so
Sure.
okay, you're not going to score a lot of goals. Let's have a target. 5
Sure.
goals. And then if you're saying to me, you're going to need more than 5 chances to score 1 goal. And then on each game, mhlambe you get one chance, or mhlambe you not get any. Sometimes you get two on a lucky day.
Sure.
So you're going to take more games to even score one goal,
Sure.
Sure. Yeah, usize kakhulu,
Sure.
into enjani. But ugood uphi on creating spaces. But if you get someone who creates space, ne, but out of two chances, he scores one.
Sure.
That guy is more effective when you check his numbers. And when you check even number assist, it's going to be up there.
Sure.
When you check his numbers, it's going to be up there.
Sure.
When you check players around him, when he creates space, they are going to be up there.
Sure.
So you're going to be up there in all those charts.
Sure.
So when are we going to feel, Mr. Mlambo? Every season, we give you a game week in and week out. But their golden boot, it's always got abo ubande Sundowns, abo Shalulile,
Abo kunale Leon maybe mekazoyithola lesi.
Leon,
Sure.
but when I a striker, you always want to create space,
Sure.
When you get a chance, you miss, That's
Sure.
my hope, and I'm talking about my
Sure.
hope.
Let me answer you.
You get 5 chances.
Can I
You
answer
fail
you?
to score one,
Miss all of them.
Can I answer you? Can I answer you?
Yeah.
Dog, you must improve. Well, I'm not saying Mayetola ma chance melamis. He must improve. We spoke about Coach AP now. When you are a person, you won't be perfect. You have to improve in some certain things. I'm answering your question, which you must get a strike. I'm saying for me, no. Let's
But
work.
Mr. Mlambo,
back.
how many
Tipendo.
seasons?
It's Tipendo.
Okay, sharp.
For me, that's why why is Mahupa going to the World Cup now? Why are the coaches mabefika bamfaka? There is something which he gives the team. Now we need whatever we need. We don't see it because akakorang. But you think all these coaches abafikayo yini kunento abasebenzisela yona? They see something from him. What I'm saying, my point is this. The strikers which we're having now, let's work with them. I'm not saying we must get a new striker. That's what I'm saying. These strikers which we have, they must improve from what they have. Mbutuma has missed a lot of chances. But we are kumbula magefika. Megawako amanyama goal. Beautiful goals. Young tall. I'm saying let's improve the players, the squad which we have. Sinabanta baning in future snap. Kupagani. Let's improve the squad which we have. And then, yeah, we don't need another striker.
I saw this guy. Why pull out ya pyramids here?
Mayele.
Fiston Mayele.
Yeah.
I saw that guy is a free agent now.
Uzodlala ku-Pirates.
I'm fit.
Ngendlela adlala ngayo.
I would say let's take that guy. At least still finish. I'm fit.
Yeah.
So if you get 5 chances, you'll score 3.
Yeah. Now I'm going to rather, now my hope, ane. Mlambo is saying every coach of Fitango Pirates omgi.
Ne squad.
How many options does a coach have Fitango Pirates? There's. You'll find that it's team or Mabasa.
It's the 2 of them.
It's the 2 of them. You have to pick one. At some point, you're going to get your chance. One dollar get idea.
Yeah.
And then when you get your chance, it's still you're not. You want to frustrate and come hope and on. And I don't mean to make this pod negative because we want trouble and so on. But the reason I'm emphasizing we need a 4th player, a proper number 9, is that guy goes to fit. Like that guy will frustrate you. You'll get like easy chances. And I wasn't taking young guy and again. Okay, Mbutuma understand. Ne? It's only his first season. We still trying. Okay, Lena, I'm slowly getting like impatient with him, Mbutuma, because of some of the basic things. So it's wrong. But he has the benefit of what? Of time, because I can't go on a fitla.
Yeah.
We've been seeing the same thing from Maho Pamphit, week in, week out. That guy doesn't score you goals.
Sure.
Okay, we can keep him maybe on the bench, maybe more desperation times when you need to launch. And I saw Hugo Bruce also now, he uses him like that. Or as a desperate goal, he has the height, he has the physique. You can just launch. Once or I'll fight in the air and do those things. But in fact, I've seen enough goals. You won't go further. You won't he won't go further than this. That's even that. Okay, maybe I'm getting too excited.
Yeah.
But I'm seeing something. It's just one game. I know. That it was against the lesser quality opposition.
Yeah.
But let's give him a run of games. I believe there's something on that young man.
So if you are saying let's give him the Mahupa from the bench, Luthuli from the bench, and then we sign a quality striker.
But it didn't
Then
see-
we know really Tuli Mfethu in a season or two is gonna be our main guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Itingibuze something Mapagania ne?
Sure.
Both of you guys. When last did you see a Pirates itself? I need to be talking about the football culture. I'm saying Pirates who won't survive. Trust me.
Umayela.
Mayele le akakhuluma ngayo lo ukuthi
Oh.
uShamakhulu. The
I'm feeling Mayela.
the type of football which we play doesn't allow most of strikers to play. You must check that. Check like the culture of Pirates ever since. Ukuthi ama strikers miss now. Imap mewathola ama golden boots.
No.
If ungaye emuva far back. The structure
Yeah.
of Pirates kakhulu kudlala ama midfield. That's why even now you see midfielders are the ones who are excelling. I'm saying we can get my head. That's me. He won't score a lot of goals. Because strikers staff amabhola ku Orlando Pirates.
I don't think they're staffed. Goes to it. You saw
many chances?
opportunities that were given to Mbutuma and Mahopa.
Yeah, they could easily be
You
top
won't
goal
say
scorers.
they're not getting chances. Those guys,
Yeah,
they
true.
get
Mina
chances.
saying-
In fact, there's no way,
From
Mr.
ubukela
Mlam.
iPirates.
I but all my chance, la much ita you.
Awuthi kubuli isibuli. From ubukela iPirates, when last did you see a Pirate striker getting a golden boot?
Kuzoba
Just-
nzima ukuthi
just
ube
when last-
i-top goal scorer when your team is also not doing great. Uyangithola?
Like,
Yeah,
look,
yeah,
look,
yeah.
It's easier to be
Sure.
top goal scorer if you're coming from
Let me say,
Yeah,
top-
yeah.
2012
That's
or
a good
20
one.
what? We
That's a good
we
one.
got a treble. 2012 or 20 what? We got a treble.
Yeah.
Was our striker a golden boot that season?
Do you remember?
No, I beg.
Okay.
I need to be.
'Cause there's no
yeah,
pay.
beg,
Okay, we
beg,
can
beg.
try,
I
we
need
can-
to having a
We
conversation.
can try. We can
We
try
can
and
always
check.
check. I need
We
Sure.
can try and check.
You can check. I'm sure Penny was up there. That,
Treble.
that last season, 2012. Penny now
Hey,
scored.
lebo mashego man.
No, you can check.
Thula season buya.
We can check. Ukuthi when does the Pirates? You can just say when does the Pirates player or strike got a golden
Mabasa
boot?
nako ya inka ne leader na.
Umabasa.
Yeah.
Umabasa.
That was not long ago.
Yeah, I think Umabasa.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Eh.
Umabasa. Mekangekho kusikhukhune mara at the time. Or wayithatha noma kupakani.
Pirates.
I think uyumabasa. Uyumabasa. What I can say if umuntu ekumele simbuyise uye loya. Not ukuthi sihambe manje so on the market siyothenga hayi. Uyu umuntu engimkhalelayo, umuntu engamele simbuyise umabasa. But I'm not saying he must go by.
No, Mr. Mlambo, angazi ukuthi if you're saying we shouldn't improve our team because we have
Our team is good, my man.
we have Mahopa and Butu
my man,
Madwana.
my
Therefore,
man, our team is good.
you have a crisis in future that goes to future.
I agree with you fully.
It's a crisis, in fact.
We need a solution there.
We need a solution in fact. You want to like it. So even to those guys, even when they create space, Ghost. And I said this the last time. They'll create a space sometimes. By ball or this guy is creating space. I'm not really setting anyone. Defender space as Sally and then so goal then bow pass the goal side thing. Where's the goal side thing? You give the ball away or you pass back one turn. Because you don't have even that individual one taller quality to go past one or two players. One taller like it. You don't have that. One taller like it. So why can't we improve and get someone who can create the space? I want pass a ball. What's it? Russia 1-2 step over one taller 1-2 step over. I was shy like beautiful cross in feet. Goal. One taller like it. Why can't we find someone like that?
We found uDe Jong now. Akakabi nesikhathi sibhayi uDe Jong asudala. Ngizama ukubonisa laba like thina we not fair. Ngizokubonisa something. Abo KJP kumele sibagaye isikhathi abobani. Abo De Jong they just arrived now. But we impatient with them. Like ikanti sifuna ukuthi team ize ibe ningi then thina the same guys esithi we must improve our squad. Sikhala ukuthi lama player lami wakhona wasadlala. Phela
sometimes
man, if we improve the squad, khona abantu ekumele bahambe. Thina
Yeah.
manje sine cream
Hey,
coverage. So you saying
don't be too attached
so
with them
Ben,
lah,
my
move
man,
it.
my man.
Yeah.
You saying Mahupa and Mbutuma they must go. That's what you saying.
No.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying is that I've seen enough from Mahopa.
He must go.
Even if they can release, okay, if maybe we can cash in on Mahopa and we can get a good amount of money from Mahopa and reinvest goes to
Re ka noka sekukune mo.
one dollar like that.
You guys are not serious.
Then Mbutuma, I'm here to see enough of Mbutuma. We can keep him there and give him another season. But someone like Evidence in fact, Costume mfethu unala akavaya won't be hurt intwana wanjola kirele ke
shukuthi naku squad nje hayi bambizela amahhala.
not unless yabona sometimes those why I said ukuthi sometimes he can be that plan. Okay, maybe if we keep him he can be that thing of mhlambe on 80 minutes it's a 1-1 we need a goal we just launching balls.
So
Skomota can come in yongizona into
my
enjani.
question is
If the plan is that then he can stay yongizona. But as a main starter for Orlando Pirates, Makgopa is not good enough.
so mina my
I'll tell
question
you
is phela if Sole sin strike kunokumela ahambe. That's why I was asking you ukuthi Makgopa mela ahambe.
Embethi ibhola lisipana kanjalo Mr. Mlambo.
Not rotate.
This thing goes about they give you
Not
3-year
all the time.
contract or
Ngithi
5-year.
mina, you
They don't
guys-
give you a permanent contract.
You guys-
They say you are here for 20 years. No.
Ngithi mina you
yangizona.
guys Paganias if uyenzani yithi sizobe sikhala if Makgopa uyahlala Sole sinye strike abanye abantu abasadlali yithi sizobe sikhala futhi thina dog we play with midfield. I'm gonna say that mapagani.
This thing is still loading,
That's why thina
Because
sinamagoli abhaya this season. Which team is having a lot of goals this season? It's Orlando Pirates, my man. Why?
Mr. Mlambo.
Mina
You know,
mapagani
you have
abhaya.
a police, you have rail and fit.
Yeah, that's
Gonna
why.
have a lot of
So that's why. Dog, a police and really they play a lot of balls than Abombutsuma nabo Makgopa lapa, and they get a lot of chances than Abombutsuma nabo Makgopa lapa pambi. I still say even namanya mapagania they can say we need another striker. Mina personally, I don't think we do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Mlambo Mapagani isitsheleni lapho mfethu. Do we need another striker to reinforce there on our forward lines? Or are we fine as we are with Evidence Makgopa and Mbutsuma?
Yeah.
Yangizona into enjani. So jumping on to the other, Mr. Mlambo, we saw Hugo Bros in fit. We have made a selection on his players. He selected, is it 8, ne?
Yeah, I think 8 or something.
8. Maybe let's go through them.
China,
Speedy
And then Speedway at the back.
Sbisi,
at the back is 3.
Bata,
talent.
Talent in the midfield, that's 4.
Rile,
Relay, it's 5.
Apolis.
Apolis, it's 6.
Muremi,
Muremi, it's 7.
Makgopa.
Evidence is 8, yeah. 8, Mapagania. 8.
8 of the best.
Are you happy with that selection, Mr. Mom?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy ngithola ngikhalela uTito. But njengoba usho it's football ngithola. Sohlala isikhala especially squad. Squad is difficult indeed because we have a lot of players.
Apparently
So
this guy, sorry. Apparently this guy he selected 11 defenders.
I saw that.
11
Didn't you see?
defenders.
Makhanya.
Mfethu 3 left backs, 3 right backs. Boma
How do you
6.
select 11? I mean, every position it must have at least 2.
Sure.
If you go with that analogy, shooting, you should have 8 at the back.
Sure.
So not even 9, not even 10, 11.
Mfethu.
And you leave about Tito behind. Young Zol in danger. Fit for me, dog.
That
Yeah,
selection is
Kabati.
bad.
They are
Mfethu.
Yeah. No. For me, it's not all. Yeah.
I think he deserved there. As much as
Deserved.
he didn't play a lot of minutes, but he has proven.
Zwani didn't play a lot of minutes.
Yeah, true. And Shigapala like omunye umuntu, yangithola. That's why untanga I can take that. Ukuthi like i-defense yakhe sho ukuthi choose more. I didn't know that, yangithola. I didn't
11.
check that, yangithola. He can megangagcwalisa i-midfield than agcwalise like a move. Ushigapala mina I don't have a stress ukuthi uyavaya izwana. But I think mekumele abe nabantu ababhaya da essence.
Yeah.
Mfethu, for me, Mfethu, if Sir selected as you are saying, Donna, 2 in every position and then Artlatsen got creative players.
That's what I'm saying.
feel-
Until Artlatsen got creative players.
Dog.
You can even call Master Chef then.
Wait,
You are
like
capable
Master
of
Chef has been
creating.
playing for this guy.
Sure, one thought. So, I'm not happy at that selection. That man. But see, deserves to be there.
Mfethu na wale na defender. Maradona lena
But
another defender would have made way
Exactly,
for it.
Mfethu. Baba ngata ra Mfethu. Ramo center peke. And in fact, I was talking to someone. Kire Mfethu na kwengwe weyicaka ul coach. One thought. You have Orlando Pirates, best team in the league, best defense in the league, playing with South African players. One thought. Usolution agara left back
And
ifela for who.
that's a good one.
One thought or kira ringejwa.
That's a good one.
Then you go with these players. One thought or kira ringejwa. Simple. pair midfield ke Mbatha le Mokoena mfethu. Dako pele you have the best attacking in the league, it's Orlando Pirates. Kenya Mremia Police really mfethu. Wanto. Then utla solution aka Reina sida striking because Lila El Foster guy next.
I am Elizabeth.
And I don't you think we should snatch that Renias guy? Because I heard his contract is coming to an end.
If he's for free, maybe we can take him.
That's one ngavuma.
Again,
that's one. Izwa. You once said something zobuye ngisho ngosaleng. My man, you once said
we don't need a strike. He's a striker.
Izwa dog, angithi siyakhuluma. You once said something ngosaleng. Uthi Sundowns mayithatha usaleng isenza nini?
Yeah.
Masathu Reina senza nini?
Akazali kana.
Bakunongena. Thina masathu Reina.
Yeah.
We're doing that.
Yeah. So you take in purely because of not because it's a quality striker, it's gonna give us something. Purely because we're going to weaken Sundowns.
No, so Shangapa Nangap. He's a quality striker. I do not wanna lie. Reynas is a quality striker. And sometimes I ask myself, why am I going to Sundowns? Who's got something?
So between Renias and Mahopa and Butuma, who's your top number?
It's Reynas, dog.
But I don't to take Renias in fact.
That's
no, leave Sundowns alone. I want us to leave Sundowns and Pirates alone. We're looking for a best striker at Orlando Pirates.
I'm agreeing with Reynas is ngamthatha. I'm agreeing to that. Reynas is ngamthatha. But Reynas in fact is contracted with Sundowns. If contract is not doing well, asimthathe la Sundowns.
Mlambo is contradicting himself. We say about this strike. We say about this strike. Our strikers are already grand. But we can take Renias in fact. How is that?
Dog. Reynas was free. That's why he spoke about Mael. He didn't speak about Reynas. I'm talking about Reynas now because we're raising this thing. Contract in the Sundowns.
Okay. Let's say maybe he was not free, Mr. Mlambo. He had a price tag and we had the funds to because we have the funds. Let's be honest.
Sure.
We took Black, we took the league, we took Guangzhou. We have the funds.
Sure.
If Reynas is not getting a lot of game time at Sundowns, he wants to go.
Sure.
Can't we take our money besides free agent and buy that guy because this guy is going to improve our team?
Sure, we can.
So why are you saying you don't need a striker,
no,
Mr. Mlambo?
I'm saying is a dog. Mina ngithi.
No, Mr. Mlambo uthe striker ngeke sis improve team yethu. Even if we go sign the best striker.
He's gonna be starved. Yeah, I said that.
But you want Reynas?
Yeah, quality. Reynas talker.
No, but the question was in future. Do we need a striker?
Sure.
That's the question.
I said no.
One thought.
So
Mr. Mlambo is saying no, but now he's saying he'll take Reynas.
Why?
So
why?
I think my question, I would have said, do we need Reynas or no?
I was gonna say yes.
But it's the same question.
I was gonna say yes.
But it's the same question.
It's a strike.
No,
it's a strike.
He's a dog. Ngizokutshela element uReynas akazizela nayo. uReynas uyakhona ukudlala ibhola even if he's not scoring. He can play football even if he's not scoring. I've seen him not once, not twice, even on the squad, even ku Sundowns. So that's why mangipresenta ngoReynas uthi nangu Mr. Mlambo uReynas ngamthatha. Eksene mina ntambama ngamthatha. Angamthatha.
I was contradicting ntwana confidence.
Good
outspeak. Next.
Like we need a striker.
I'm saying
you know, that's why ntwana Mr. Mlambo. He's too attached on events.
Dog. Okay,
you are too attached. So I leave that thing.
So if I'm too attached, why I'm saying if Reynas ukhona simthathe?
Because
if I'm too attached.
Hey,
no, dog. You guys want me to say whatever you guys are seeing.
Mr. Mlambo, imagine manje if you were to say msayinu Reynas mara sister to score more. I understand ukuthi amapakani abezokuhlanyela ukuthi hayi wena uyabheta wena. You understand? Uskomota can't start before uReynas. But no uyayibona ukuthi you can't akunakuthi.
Sure.
uReynas mela cha.
Which is I always say that if uReynas uyafika uyozoba start and either way Skomota hasn't been starting for us. Butuma was the one who was starting for us pretty much most of our seasons. If uReynas edges them. But
Mr. Mlambo, why are you saying we can improve that striking position?
No,
listen. Okay, why are you saying to us we can't improve that striking position, but there's someone out there who we can bring in and improve on both Makgopa and Dairi.
But
Are you saying we shouldn't prioritize Orlando Pirates?
And that was the main
Because
of
that's what
the
you're
main,
trying, you're trying to
the-
improve Orlando Pirates.
the main point of the question is exactly that. Until
Hey, I'm free.
can't we not strengthen this striking position?
dog ngizophinda ngiyasho ngithi mina si right Orlando Pirates but if uReynolds ukhona ngiyaphinda si right Orlando if uReynolds ukhona siyamthatha
Ah, sivalele show
Siyamthatha.
Mapagani. Ayikho lento esikhulumayo la. There is nothing.
you guys Mapagania these guys want me to say whatever they want they feel or they see no
I never feel Mapagani. Good luck to Hugo Bruce and the team. Faith. I hope they come back with Lindy, Mr. Mlam.
let's be realistic Mafethu. Like dog we must be realistic singathanda nami ngathanda ukubona iSouth Africa ngathanda ukubona iSouth Africa ikuki World Cup but we know dog we reaching dog asibe realistic
With the help of the Paganias.
asibe realistic dog
Well, already Sundowns African champions. We are South African champions.
Sure.
We combine both the teams. We go face the European
we
teams.
win the World
Yeah.
Cup.
We have the best coach in Hugo Bruce here, Mr. Mlambo. Don't you think you have a 2% chance of taking this deal?
dog asibe realistic we won't win World Cup I'm telling you no dog you see this World Cup is what it's a good opportunity for our players yangithola our players to get span and our players to get experience
Yeah.
I would be happy to see them on the knockout stages
Sure.
they would have won me that's what I want to see if bayiwinile ngajabula makayi I'm not saying South Africa is gonna win World Cup if bangayibina yo ngajabula yangithola but realistically I don't see them winning it but if bafika ku knockout yo ndanga ngajabula kakhulu
Ne.
Sack Hugo Bruce and we can win the World Cup.
Those are the statements of Mr. Mlambo.
this guy
Ayipona ile Arsenal ke magele ele takile.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Re suck at now and we can still win the championship. No, but I think Mautida, as Mr. Mlambo said, it's purely exposure. I'm fit. So then I'm not that group. I don't think it's an easy group. Low ranking, we can just walk over one turn. I think it's gonna be difficult. Mexico playing home. Until Japan, via I think Japan is strong.
Yeah.
Fast
I mean, it's strong of
Yeah, it's strong. That's why that one is a difficult group for us. So exposure for the boys more than anything. Tababo no renali really fit. Sharper vala shift the TV.
izolo mfethu
Bonile guys.
uyayivula le yavula ubambenye endanga Mr.
I think I want to really fun me like practice it. I think with after vala target. I better sharper vala.
Shayivala lempela lezobheka ivala ibuyise ngayini
Let me not
How
talk
was
to
that
you.
game, Mr. Man? I didn't watch that
it
game.
was boring
Yeah.
it was boring
Yeah, I heard coach saying they put a lot of French players there.
yeah I think like coach Megazama like
Experimenting
test.
things.
yeah Megazama
Yeah.
test
But I like that Matuluri guy. Was that gonna make him sheba
Who's
grand?
that?
Polokwane, right back.
Dala
Oh,
top,
no,
top,
I know.
top,
The
top,
tall
top.
one.
Yeah.
top,
I
top,
gonna make him
top.
monanti.
Phela
There's a
top,
player. in
leya
there.
mayivela in the side ibona ipali iyashaya
Yeah.
leya top
It's good. I think yesterday Lenada he was my man of the match. I
top,
think he's the
top,
one that impressed me. He's
Yeah.
good.
Anyone on your side who impressed you?
angilibukela
Like surprise
ngibukele i-second half
Yeah.
because mina ngisasendleleni first half mina akekho like akekho ngathi was surprised akekho
I think another one in Twana was Tapelo Maseko.
Yeah.
Ay. Wabona ile for ile ke clever. Yeah.
tona kovala
Yo, I atla ile.
Yeah,
From
Thola.
Super Sport.
Kitse one thola left.
Mremi.
Mremi ujayiva kancane le yayiyeza
From
ndoda.
player dog isuka ku Super Sport, after Super Sport Sundowns,
Sundowns
after
angicava ku
njengo-Viva.
Sundowns yeah.
Yeah.
Imnati Thapelo is good. Wabo I think Kabini, I was waiting to see Kabini.
Kabini bambizelani umuntu engihlale ngikhala ngayo.
I thought he was
Kabini
gonna
ufunani?
surprise me.
Kabini
Yeah.
hayi mina ngiyakhala mapakaniya akuna player lapho.
Indaba mina yaziwa ngisho njalo ne. I was worried
Hayi.
about that left back position because Renal Mdiba fell and now he got injured towards the end of the season. Yeah, I clear mna. Wabo
Cross.
and a cross lane
Mnyama.
as solution phela wamona lo yena cross ura. Wabo so I was hoping ure Kabini can give us
Hayi.
that hope. Hey,
I mean,
man.
That guy was Stellenbosch. Is he there on the squad?
Pasedini.
Ah.
Abaseko seka Sundowns. Which one?
Kunje ke
Le
mangusti.
black le number 3.
Le mhlophe nyana. Kunje ke manje Stellenbosch ntwana.
Akusu Pasedini
No,
no
no
Sundowns.
buka awika idlala ngopili ntwana.
Right wing.
Titus, yeah.
Get Titus, ne?
Titus,
Yeah.
He's not
He's South
there.
African, ne?
Yeah.
He's not there.
No, he's not in the squad.
Hayi mikangeka sinuke. Titus. Mikanga sinuka lapha. Phambili.
Yeah,
Titus.
Yeah, Titus.
Right wing, ne?
Sure. Esingeni ivami mikanga sinuka lapha. Awukhiphe nje oyi-1 nje umfake lapha.
No, skip it defend one. I think it's not my defender
Oh,
pa.
if you say ngisho mina like if you saying from like the striking force yangithola. Yeah, but if you saying is keeper ku defense endaba kawo esenza mina ngikhalela isenza sibana. We get about Tito la.
Yeah.
We get about Tito la. We get like creative players there. Squadisa like in the middle field.
Action fit.
Cause it's
Maro obona le ya R2 simfethu like yeah.
usho kanje.
Sithole.
I thought of that guy. He stays in the he's not a midfield, that guy.
Ui.
He's a defender.
Yeah,
Like,
akashabo ma
he's a defender.
Wabona 4 ya khali.
Hey, on tall.
Yeah, you
Umkwena,
perfect.
ukula bomkwena le balala jwa.
Sure.
Hey,
Eh,
trap and clear or trap and pass to your nearest guy. On tall.
Mna mbatha kyasipana liwani damping utla collector utla attacker. Da mani since avoida nje ya shiftela ka yi. Like ndona ka yiri batla ukora and then you have Sithole, you have 4 defenders. What are you go proceed yeah. I can't fit. One turn.
How is Matala? No one was interested in South Africa until I came.
and it's selling
No, I
the truth. And it's selling the truth.
It's selling the
Ah, it's
truth.
selling the
You are not
truth.
interested in that thing.
And he made it
What
to
the-
be like
Really?
this. Yeah.
Now what goes to say, that guy, that Matala.
And he's not losing. If we can check,
So he
Ingemuth is not winning also.
He
But
must
like,
be
he's
immune
not
to
losing,
criticization,
Hey.
man. Yeah.
But like ngathi simshaka kakhulu.
No,
Matala.
Mara, when I go to Ntwana,
Mshaka
you're saying
cool.
this guy must be fired. So
Exactly.
according to the way, your tone.
Yeah.
Matala.
I
No, wabona uchala phela vara ke mrate Matala. wabona,
But like,
to just to
But
be
Ntwana,
honest.
you have to give it to him.
Ukuthathe
Yeah.
kuphi?
Uringile ka
Ukuthathe
re
kuphi?
qualifier so the World Cup, the African
Uma-
nations since we doing so well. It's because of
Messi
him.
kuphi?
Yeah, I must.
Mesliwa amaZambia
must-
ntanga. Sishaya bo Zambia.
Emfethu,
Hlangana
like
negani
Emfethu,
yakushaya.
you want shambles in faith until this guy came through and
World
so.
Cup sagcina yini ku.
But now he took us here.
to World
and so.
Cup. Sesiya.
Sesikhuluma besingakhulumi nesquad ukuthi bafana.
Sesigreen, yabo sigreen manje e-studio.
Indoda-
Because we symbolizing i-World Cup yebafana bafana.
Like ehla liyadelela ngayini ngayikhohlwa
No,
lento
but like
Matala.
ukhuluma amaqiniso, hayi le ayifihli ndanga. Le ayifithi
Yeah,
ufile so. Hayi le
If there's something he must improve on, is public
Ah,
speaking and
sensitive.
those interviews. Eh?
Yeah. Hayi le
But
ayifithi.
he talked like someone who's going to retirement, coach.
Yeah. He said something. Was it about Peterson? Or he left Peterson because he didn't know a lot about him and whatnot.
I
Only had 2 days or something. Yeah.
I didn't listen to a lot of that. A lot of
I
interviews.
didn't listen.
Were you happy for Sipo Chain, Ntwana? Because
Yeah.
then he was on the fence, Ntwana.
Yeah.
I think
But
name
if
discipline.
we just being real, Sipo deserves to be there.
He
Yeah,
deserves.
yeah.
Yeah, he
I think
deserves.
name
He
discipline.
deserves.
Yeah.
Yes,
That
deserves.
saga
Yeah.
then I'm a fan. I think it was just discipline.
Yes,
Ukuthi
yes,
fix
yes,
your
yes.
mind.
And I don't think it's an incident kubafana. I think it was an epic incident the Pirates.
Sure.
More than
sure,
anything.
Sure.
Sure. Yeah, but I was happy to see Sipho Mfethu, and I think it deserving to be there. Peterson, I think he also deserved. That's why I can mention. I think he had a good season and he's on great form. So I think I would have put him for course. Yeah.
I ngiyathatha. Peterson had a good season.
Yeah. All right, Mapagani, I think we've reached the end of the show. Can you move on to the log ghost?
You should put
Asicabanga lokho.
number last one.
Oh. Sasa unamba la.
Ngeke baba, ngitholile leyathuni.
Oh, it's all over. Achava sikasaya mathikoti.
Yena.
Uthe wani kwashi.
Wena uthengaki?
3-0.
3-0.
Ah, ni step uyazi.
Ngitholile na. Ngitholanga. Ngitshele before siqala ukuthi ngitholile.
Abara bembuza tala.
Sengitholile, sengijabule.
Mara ngibulisa ke Rafa Rahman. Ehle kuthulile letho sithi makimlam.
Kwenzeka mabomu. Because mina no go set discuss before. And ngiyabona ukuthi umuntu wenzani ngasule.
I
fell for it.
Angibambile, Maka ngiyafana uGhost akamhluli. Ukuthi kungathathi iligi ngealphabet.
Yo,
Ukuthi hayi ukuthi iPirates iqala ngo-A, iChiefs iqala ngo-B, bayalingana ngama-points nama-goal. Mele sidlale ndoda, siyayiqhubekisa mina nawe kuba fana.
Niyabona number last me too.
Yeah.
Niyabona number last me too.
what?
Okay, ngabo number 2. We're sharing this number 2 spot.
This is a beautiful cave. They want a beautiful. Straight from the Orlando Pirates shop of A2. Ghost is saying courtesy of Ghost and Mr. Mlambo Mapagania. No, before the beginning of the season, Mapagania, we had impact on our log to say whoever wins our league, let's see 3 prediction, is going to get something from the Orlando Pirates shop, and that's something.
Yeah, boy.
And that's something Mapagania. It has to be bought from the Orlando Pirates shop. So the guys have bought me this thing, Mapagania. It doesn't come cheap, Mapagania. 550 from Ghost and Mlambo. They had to contribute and buy me this beautiful gift, Mapagania. So we'll see next season with Bazong Tengelani because they don't want to improve, Mapagania.
On fire.
Thanks for take Mapagania with Nibon, which is new, brand
original.
New Mapagania, original. Keep Eleni Mapagania, Nebona Mos. How is it? Skeleni of it. Is it beautiful? Even from the back. 3 stripes, Adidas is there. Orlando Pirates, the big one is here of it.
Ngilufa kuchinje la.
Ngilufa kuchila Mapagania.
Champion. I want to be revealed today.
Champion. Isiculela le Pirates ayileka fa. Champion.
I am.
No more.
Both. Yeah,
no. Mapagania, so we are finishing on 37 games, and then Fire will finish on 39 points. Buffet 2, he got the correct score. Ghost Kupuganga 1 point. Ngokuthola correct prediction ukuthi Pirates izowina. Ceceshi nayo uthola 1 point. Utusayibambile emtshileni bafethu.
Bala thina ukuthi sisole ngaki phela. Ungavezi ukuthi ngisemsileni.
Una 33.
Wena?
Una 33.
Oh.
Una?
Una 39.
Oh.
6 points.
Yeah, siyalingana ungathi emsileni nje amabhakani ayitshela ukuthi ungishiya kakhulu.
So there you have it, Mapagania. I beat these guys. But Sandile, please, Sandile, I'm still saying, I need you there in the Lord. I'm not challenge like studio fit. Please, from beginning of next season, or if you're going to do the World Cup prediction, please, Sandile, give us a prediction. Let's put you on this log. These guys are not giving me anything.
Eish.
Shout out to the Gunners as well, Arsenal for taking the league of too. Today we taking the Champions League.
Bayishaya. At least it's Sony league.
Yeah.
At least win the league. Angafuni into esingakufuni.
Awuyayinweba manje.
At least it's on record. It's on record.
Nganjela nange league. Yeah. Oh, ghost, not ghost, you.
Yeah, but you've been telling me about the league for the past 10 seasons. Dog, this guy. This guy.
Rivalry champions. Bopa champions. Bopa fire ka bopa.
Bopa.